Hello, Ate Mia. Kain po tayo. Lunchtime. Ito lang yung lunchtime ko. Yung galing kay Beshi na maha and saka mangga at chocolate. At may mga bisita, mga ibon. Ayun pa. Hi guys, it's my lunchtime today. And guess who is with me? Look. A magpie, a two magpie. This is my lunch. I have some mango. It's seed from what's this for my kids, and maha from Beshi. It's so yummy. And this two bird is always here because I always share my food. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Yes. It's alright. Come on. There you go. Come on. They're a little bit scared, but there you go. Here's the other one. I'm gonna give it more mango. I don't know if they love mango, but I always give them some sandwich, but I don't have some sandwich anymore. We have free sandwich inside. I might grab some. There you go. That's a bird magpie. It's called magpie bird. Look at that. They're always here every time I'm on my break time. Ta-da! They're gone now. Hello. So yeah, there are. It's magpie season this month. That's why there's a lot of magpie everywhere. That's the magpie over there. Be very careful when it's magpie season because they are very protective of their nest. So they are going to attack you. There you go. But if you always give them some food, they will be your friend. And there you have it. Ta-da! They ran away now. So I love always here because the view is really beautiful. And the weather is not bad today. It's so warm. And yeah, see ya later, alligator.